Olá and welcome to Daily Portuguese.
This is podcast about Portuguese language and Portuguese culture.
Sezon Eden, episode 27, ir a, estar a,
acabar
de. Ready when you are.
I am.
Oh, okay, wait a second. Not that I need it, but I have the pages here so I don't forget anything.
Yes, because
It's
it's hard to remember.
Yes. Bom dia, Maria.
Bom dia, Dulcidio.
Why? Well, today we are recording really early for ourselves. Like, we should be recording on the day we should post 1 hour before. Don't you feel like we have too much time to do stuff? Okay.
To record more episodes.
Yeah. Oh, okay. So, Maria, today, hoje, as some people say, will be something easy. Actually, it will be nothing new. It will be kind of summarized with one extra stuff. We're going to sum up a few things, which are those kind of structures that we have to express something. Okay? And it is easy because we talked about two of those not long time ago, as far as I remember. And one is fairly new. So, we are going to talk about ir plus infinitive, estar a plus infinitive, and acabar de plus infinitive. Okay, Maria. Ir plus infinitive. What is this? What do you use this for?
For expressing the future.
Expressing the future. Exactly. So, how do you conjugate the verb ir?
Vou. Vais. Vai. Vamos. Vão.
Vão. Okay. So, and eu vou, and then some verb in the infinitive form without being conjugated. That's how you express the future. Can you give some examples to illustrate this beautiful moment?
Vou trabalhar. Vou comer o croissant.
Do we have?
No.
Ah, okay. So don't give fake hope. Because trabalhar, I'm expecting a croissant. Like, oh,
Vou ler o livro e vou descansar.
Okay. Okay, so that's how I usually, when the students are in the beginning, and in the first few classes I introduce this, so they start to talk, to tell plans for the week and plans for the week, what they are going to do. Also, I usually then connect this with the past. So, what have they what have they done during the weekend, and what they are going to do this week? So they will start to think and try to talk about something, which actually I like it, because sometimes people do stuff that is interesting, and I grab that subject to
Build up on it.
no, to talk more about it and to learn.
Yeah.
Because it's not them who learn during the classes; I also learn a bit.
You do learn a lot.
Yeah. So yeah. So the second one, it's estar a plus infinitive. What is this?
That's it's a construction. It's not technically a tense, but it's to express present continuous.
Present continuous. What I'm doing now.
Right now, yeah.
So, how do you conjugate estar?
Estou, estás, está, estamos, estão.
You like to exaggerate the estou, estás, estou. Less energy, okay?
I always hated this back in the day on my English classes when you had the verb and you had to conjugate one after another. It sucks.
But in English, it's all the same.
I know, but I just prefer to use it in a sentence, you know?
Okay, so now use it in a sentence and make a few
I
examples.
just prefer to omit conjugating like that and make the sentences.
No, it doesn't make sense.
I know,
Because
but
it's like,
it's just...
I just don't, I like to cook,
it's
but I
way
hate to cook
easier.
the onion
It's
first.
way easier
No,
to conjugate verbs.
there are steps and we need to follow
I know,
those
but
steps.
it's way easier to conjugate verbs when you have to use them in a sentence. By the way, that's how you learn a language.
Yes.
Not by learning how to conjugate them one by one, because then we are more likely to make mistakes.
Exactly, that's why you conjugate, so people listen to you.
I
And
know,
now-
I know. I'm just saying that it takes me back to the days where I didn't like to learn English, and then I started to like learning English, and then I went to study English for some reason.
Okay.
So yes, coming back to the sentences. Estamos a falar. We talk. We are talking.
Wait a second. Much better.
Oh,
Okay, overexposed. Sorry.
I thought you saved the day.
No, I didn't. I just made it worse. Ok, estamos a falar.
Estamos a falar. Tu estás fazer.
Estás a fazer
Estás a fazer stupid things.
coisas fantásticas.
Coisas estúpidas.
Ah,
But
sim.
don't you have a word for this?
Stupid things, coisas
like,
estúpidas.
no.
Oh, you can say tulérias,
No, something that kids use.
asneiras.
Asneiras.
But,
I love this word.
But asneira is like, how to translate this? That the kids make kind of some mess or some
Yeah.
kind of stuff. Yeah, kind of.
Not kids only, but yes, asneiras. It's
Yeah, like not yeah, kind of. It's connected sometimes with misbehaving or
Yeah.
or to do something bad. Yeah.
So, estás a fazer asneiras.
Okay.
That, by the way, is... The word is asneiras, no?
It's one word.
It's one word,
Well, it was
because
you that got surprised once. Like
it
if
was
that you
me,
thought
yes.
us and neiras
Yes,
would be
I
no.
thought it was-
Us neiras. It's a single word.
Yeah. Estamos... Estamos a passear o cão?
Not at the moment, but
Not
yes.
at the moment, but,
Estamos a gravar.
A gravar?
Yeah,
Recording?
we are recording.
Sim.
Okay, and
Estamos.
estamos. And let's go to the last one. Acabar. This one is a bit a step forward because we conjugate here acabar in the past, pretérito perfeito, one of the past we have.
And I think we didn't make it yet.
And you think very well, we haven't started that. We will. But just for the sake of this, you are going to conjugate so people can listen. You know, you make the way you hate it so people can learn,
Okay.
and then we'll make some examples. But before, acabar de plus infinitive. What's this construction?
Again, it's a construction in Portuguese, and in English it's present perfect. Present perfect to talk about past until now, like very fresh past.
It's like I've just
finished.
I've just finished. I've just sent it. I've just
Yeah.
read it. Yeah. So basically that's it.
So you use past form of acabar, de plus infinitivo.
Okay, conjugate acabar.
Acabei, eu acabei, tu acabaste, ele acabou, nós acabamos e elas, eles, vocês acabaram.
Acabar. Okay. And I'll give some examples for people to understand how to use.
Acabamos de comer o pequeno almoço.
We would say tomar. Acabamos de tomar o
De
pequeno
tomar,
almoço.
sim. Já acabaste de passear o cão? Já just That's just, or
You don't
yes,
have
no,
to.
no.
You have to.
I know, but it's just.
No, you don't have to use
more
ja. Actually, we don't use
simpler
ja
for
with this
me.
construction. We just
You
say
don't. So why don't you tell me I'm wrong?
I'm because I like to see you going against walls. And then I was like, you saw the past few minutes.
Yes, but it's not for me. It's for them.
We just say acabei. It doesn't make sense that I already finish. Like I know.
No, but so how would you say just? I just finished.
Acabei de. Eu acabei de.
I just finished. You don't have. You don't use anything like.
I just
Acabei de.
finished. Acabei de acabar. I would say I just finished. I would say acabei agora mesmo. That's how I would say. But like acabei de, for example, Maria, enviaste o email and you say, acabei de enviar. Have you sent the email or I have just sent it? Okay?
Okay.
That's one example.
So, acabei de tomar o café.
There's one sentence that we use a lot at home with the kids, which is,
Acabaste?
não, acabei de limpar a casa, já está tudo sujo. I just finished cleaning the house and everything is dirty.
You use it. Well,
Yeah.
I speak Polish, so I don't use it.
Yeah, I use it. Yeah, I use Portuguese a lot with them.
Yes.
So, just to sum up,
But yeah, we often ask them.
já acabaste?
Já
Yeah, but
acabaste, sim.
have you finished? Já
I
acabaste.
know, I know.
So, and that's when we use já. Have you finished? Já acabaste.
That's what I'm saying. That's why it's easier for me because I hear that a lot. Já acabaste de limpar o quarto.
We know the answer is no. They didn't clean the room.
Já acabaste de
Comer.
ubierać się?
Vestir.
Get dressed? Vestir.
So, just to sum up, we have these three constructions. Ir plus infinitive, future, to express the future. Estar a plus infinitive, to express the present continuous. And acabar de plus infinitive, to something that you just finished right now.
Present perfect.
Yes. So, those are the three constructions that will help you to communicate on a daily basis because we actually use them a lot.
Yeah, actually, that's why it's probably easier for me because you listen that a lot in Portugal.
Yes.
And it's actually very nice set of tools to talk,
Yes.
to start to talk to people about something else than Olá, o meu nome é
Yeah.
João.
You sounded like a robot. Like talking like that. So that's it for today.
Okay.
Maria, talk about classes where people can find
Well,
out.
they can ask you.
No, they
You
can't.
always say you know everything.
I know. I say that to kids, and they do believe.
They do, unfortunately.
That's why I told Gaia to start to ask you stuff. Like, but you know everything's like, yeah, but mom feels bad that you never ask her stuff.
Yes, and instead of saying that I also know everything. Okay.
Okay, so about classes, Maria, share where people can find out more about classes.
For sure in the link under. They can also write you on Instagram.
No. Next option.
You can write email
Yes.
or just sign up for classes.
Yes, I like that. And
Well, you can sign up for free class. Actually, that's the only way to sign up on the page.
so, and also, if you want to send us some questions for Q&A about Portuguese, Portugal, culture, living in Portugal, everything Portuguese related, just write us, leave a comment.
Yes,
Why you're
we are, because we're always happy to get new comment.
Yeah, depends on the questions. Or if it's a bad comment.
Okay, we got one already.
Okay, we passed.